Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So I'm into plant hangers lately. Why? It is simply because I am running out of space. So I grew up in my parents' house with a huge backyard. So when I got married, transferred here with a very limited space. And during this pandemic and my anxiety attack, I just can't stop buying more plants. And which for sure a lot of you can relate. So months after the ECQ and we're still under pandemic, I am now running out of space. So let me share some advantages of having hanging plants aside from the health benefit, of course, of purifying our air and pacifying our anxiety. For me, the number one would be to maximize limited space. So like what I mentioned, we have a tiny area, so I want to put more plants. So I don't have space anymore, so best option of course is hang them out. So secondly, hanging plants add visual appeal to any space, whether it be our porch or exterior walls or fence post. And third, it creates privacy. So I gave my mom an assignment so she won't get bored at home. So I asked her to make some plant hangers for me while watching her teleseries. So I let her watch some tutorial videos on YouTube. And for this blog, she will share what she learned. What is the best cord for macrame or plant hangers? So we have several different choices actually. For the ropes to use, but for me I chose this jute rope because it is easy to work with and I love the color and how natural it looks with my plants. For me they just blend well. So okay, let's start now with my mom's tutorial. I hope you learned something from her. So continue watching, guys.
Hi everyone! So my mom will teach you how to make this plant hangers. Yeah! Ngayon, ano?
I'll help.
You will help. Lagay mo muna yung mga ampalaya mo dito sa gilid. Kasi si nanay na mag-tutorial. Put your ampalaya harvest here. And then, your okra. Okay. Sit down properly. Come on. Pag malaki yung paso, kailanganin ng paso, 32 inches, pwede na. Gawa tayo ulit, bali apat na ganito. Apat na ganyan. Ngayon, sumukat tayo ng 4 inches bago ibubuhin natin. Ibuhol. Ayaw, makinig ka. Makinig ka daw kay nanay. Exam time mamaya. Ibuhol. Okay. Pagkatapos, pag alanganin na paso, sumukat ng mga 10 inches. Bago bali 8 yan, di ba? Iayos muna natin para hindi pumilipit.
Ang haba mo dito na yun.
Tapos sumukat ka ng 10. Arya,
10 daw, 10.
bago ibuhol mo.
Oh my God, mamaya ako kunin na rin.
Bago ibuhol. Yun, ano,
Dalawa, by pair.
dalawa, ibuhol mo ulit. Tapos, kumuha ka na naman ng dalawa.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Kailangan pantay-pantay yung buhol. Mga 10, sukat nyo. Tapos, Arya, ibuhol mo ulit. Okay. Okay, Arya. Pagkatapos,
Anak, alisin mo muna yung mga
kumuha
harvest.
muna ulit ng dalawa, ibuhol ulit. Pantay mo dun sa buhol na una. Bago ibuhol ulit.
Ay, naku, nalaglag ang... Kunin mo na ko.
Tapos, natitirang dalawa, ibuhol ulit sa
The same length.
basta sukat niya 10. Hindi nakabuhol na sa apat na buhol. Tapos kunin yung
ulit yung dalawa. Miski sumukat kayo ng 4 inches pag maliit na paso.
Kunin mo na.
Tapos ibuhol ulit. Tapos kumuha ulit ng dalawa ulit. Ganyan. Bago ibuhol ulit. Tapos kumuha ng
Dalawang
isa doon.
layer lang.
Oo. Kumuha doon ulit sa kabila. Pagsamahin. Ibuhol ulit. Mahaba ata. Tama lang. Tapos may natitira pang dalawa.
Pag-join.
Yung dalawa ulit. Asan ang isa? Ito. Ibuhol ulit yung natitirang dalawa.
Bulilit ko, may sariling mundo eh. Oh.
Nagawa na.
Ayan, tapos ibubol yung
ibuhol sa
ilalim.
baba, ay sa pinakailalim para hindi mahulog yung paso na ilalagay nyo. Pero mas maganda sana kung mataba dito kasi papayat eh. Ngayon, pwede nang ilagay yung halaman.
Ayan, isa-sample natin tong, wait.
Ngayon, ilagay na yung halaman.
Okay, wait.
Nasaan ang halaman? Itong puti.
Ayan na yung puti na eh. Wait, ako lang. So,
Ilagay na yung...
so this one is our sample.
Ilagay na yung halaman. Yan.
Come here, baby.
Wait.
Yan.
Sakto lang sa gitna.
Ayun. Ganyan. Hindi na kailangan...
This is the
Yeah.
finished product of
Kailangan mas mataba.
Baby, wag ka dyan. Oh, pero okay na rin ito.
Mas maganda yung mataba para ano. Yan. Yan ang finished product
This is the
ng
finished product of Nanay's project.
Hangiran ng halaman ni
Hawak mo na
Aya.
ko, hawak.
Ito ang product ng hanger ng halaman ni Aya. Ayan.
Doon ka na ko, hawak ka dun kay Nanay.
Yeah,
Oh, wait. So I want to show you this one that my mom made for indoors. So, meron na nag-order sa kanya. So this one is a 3 layers and then a thicker rope. I just don't like the color. For me, I prefer something like that kasi hindi naman siya masyado halata. And mas na-emphasize yung halaman kesa sa ganitong color free. But anyway, it's your choice. So if you want to hire one, I mean a bigger pot, then habaan lang yung yan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any comments, suggestions, please send us a message to our YouTube channel or our Facebook page. Bye-bye!